This is the elbow joint play test. Patient position for humeral ulnar joint play is supine with the elbow in about 70 degrees of flexion. For that test, the examiner places thumbs on the proximal ulna while stabilizing distal forearm between his or her forearm and the body, and applies a distraction force to the elbow. The patient position for the radio-ulnar joint play is sitting or supine, elbow in about 70 degrees of flexion and 35 degrees of supination. For that test, the examiner stabilizes the proximal ulna and applies an anterior and posterior force at the radial head. The patient position for the radiohumeral joint play is sitting or supine with the elbow extended and forearm fully supinated. For that test, the examiner stabilizes the distal humerus and applies an anterior and posterior force at the radial head. The positive test is hypomobility or hypermobility, and implications are restrictions in all articulations may accompany loss of physiologic elbow motion. Hypomobility at the radio-ulnar joint is associated with restricted supination and pronation.